I'll tell you a story. You know the one about the mother lion and her little cub? They lived in the woods.
The King's Wood?
Yes, my love.
Your mother's dead. Before long I'll be dead. And you. And your brother. And your sister. And all of her children. All of us dead. All of us rotting in the ground. It's the family name that lives on. It's all that lives on. Not your personal glory, not your honor, but family.
Don't fight for your king, and don't fight for his kingdoms. Don't fight for honor, don't fight for glory. Don't fight for riches, because he won't get anything.
In the King's Wood, there lived a mother and her cub. She loved him very much. But there were other things that lived in the woods, evil things.
Like what?
Like stags.
Stags aren't evil. They only eat grass.
And wolves.
Oh, a monster. Perhaps you should speak to me more softly then. Monsters are dangerous, and just now kings are dying like flies.
We should march on them at once. First, we must return to Castemere Rock to raise
They have my son!
I could hear them howling in the night. Little cub was frightened. His mother said, "You are a lion, my son, you mustn't be afraid."
Madness. Madness and stupidity.
Tywin Lannister. I don't choose Tywin Lannister. I don't love Tywin Lannister. I love my brother. I love my lover. People will whisper, they'll make their jokes, let them. They're all so small I can't even see them. I only see what matters.
I am the king!
I need you to become the man you were always meant to be. Not next year, not tomorrow. Now. A man who must say, "I am the king," is no true king.
Why?
Why? You ask that? You who killed your mother to come into the world?
I did not do it. I did not kill Joffrey, but I wish that I had. Watching your vicious bastard die gave me more relief than 1,000 lying whores.
And breathe.
I am Queen Regent, not some brood mare.
You're my daughter!
Everything they say is true about Jamie and me.
No,
Your legacy is a lie.
I don't believe you.
I wish I was the monster you think I am. I wish I had enough poison for the whole pack of you. I would gladly give my life to watch you all swallow it.
My children, you've disgraced the Lannister name for far too long.
Do you think I'd be in my position if I'd lost a war?
Lannister always pays his debts.
To defend the Lannisters, to defend my blood.
The Northerners will never forget.
Good. I don't remember what happens when they march on the south.
The Lannisters send their regards.